Everyone, good morning. My name is Vishvadeep and I welcome you all on Unacademy Computer Science channel for unlimited learning. In the interview preparation series, we have seen some HR interview questions, and after that we have seen some puzzles and brain teasers. Today I am here to have more questions for you guys so that you can solve these questions. These questions are very unique just because these questions can be asked in the puzzles also, plus these kind of questions can be asked in the programming also. So these are like a puzzle but programming type of question based on general mathematics. So let's start the session and let's hear what kind of questions we have today. Before we start the session, let me introduce myself first. For those members who don't know me, my name is Vishvadeep, working as a channel leader for this channel. This is my profile, 14 plus years of overall teaching experience, and with whatever this experience and learning and the education, whatever I have learned, I'm trying to repel it back to you guys, to the student community. I just want to teach, I would just want to educate you guys so that you also can build your career based on it. How you will do that? Just go through this channel, playlist section, video section, lot of content is there. On Unacademy platform also you have a lot of content to learn for free. How you can access that? You just go to unacademy.com or download Unacademy Learner app, create your account in GATE ESE category, and after that follow my profile, so that in my profile you have a section of special classes. Over there you can learn or you can access the free classes which we take over there. My previously taken special classes you can access from this link also. To unlock the free classes, if any code is needed, use this code. You guys are aiming that you should have a really good career, either directly job or through masters or through some kind of competitive exam. Your aim is very clear. If not clear, then make it clear, just because when your aim is clear, the preparation or the planning for that aim will become even more intense. When you are very firm on your decision, no, I have taken the decision, I will go with this one and I will follow the same thing, then only you can be always very intense in your preparation. So if you have thought about anything which is related to competitive exam preparation or placement or PSUs or GATE or anything, then here it is the truth. Everybody who thinks that I will do this cannot achieve that particular thing until that fellow will have a consistent and constant efforts to achieve that. That constant efforts will fade away with the time when the students and the aspirants are not having good things along with them. Means if they are having more struggle, if they face more struggle, they demotivate themselves, and in that duration, in that preparation journey, they just leave the preparation midway. So it will be wastage of time, it will be wastage of efforts also, just because you are not able to have a good progress. And though we have a very limited time during our preparation of whatever the target we have, in that limited time we'll have to achieve a very high target. In that, the crunch situation makes students even more burnt out. So let's think about this particular thing. What if you have a particular preparation plan in which you'll have to just spend whatever the limited time you have, that only, but still you can get better result? What if you will be presented such kind of learning stuffs in such a way that you can utilize your maximum time? Means lack of motivation will not be the factor here. And that particular plan, my dear friend, is Unacademy Plus subscription. So Unacademy Plus subscription gives you live classes. These classes you can listen later on also, weekly test, structured courses, daily practice problems, unlimited access of different type of batches. So first learning batches, then practice batches, then crash courses, etc. Everything is unlimited. N number of educators to teach you all the courses. So you are having open forum to learn from whichever educator you want to learn, and you will be having top educators of the country to teach you guys the topics. If you want more personalized preparation apart from this, then you should go for Iconic subscription. This includes Plus subscription, plus includes a personal coach. Means there will be a coach, an expert who will be working for your preparation, who will be working for your strategies, one-on-one preparation plan, study plan, personalized test analysis, booster session, etc., etc. Apart from that, some practice sets and notes and dedicated doubt clearing educators you'll be getting in the iconic subscription. Whichever subscription you select for yourself, look at this. These are the GATE subscription, which includes, of course, GATE preparation plus PSU preparation, ISRO, BARC, everything is included in the same kind of preparation. And along with the GATE preparation, of course, I can assure that you will be having a lot of things covered for the placement also, just because the same thing kind of same thing are asked in the placements and interviews also. So it will boost your placement preparation also. So if you want to take plus subscription for GATE and ESE or iconic subscription, multiple duration subscriptions are available. Whichever is suitable for your preparation, just select that, use this code VDEEP10, and you just, when you will use this code during the checkout, you will get 10% instant discount plus my personal guidance plus my team's support. You can see we have an offer. Offer is up to 24th March, day after tomorrow only. If you'll take 12-month subscription, 3-month extra, and 24-month subscription, 4-month extra you can get. And apart from that, the prices are going to increase soon. You can see the price hike is this much. So 10% hike is there very soon. So if you want to beat the price hike, plus if you want to have the extended subscription to cover up all the exams, use the code VDEEP10, take the subscription so that you can get discount, my personal guidance, and my team's support. My new course is also starting from tomorrow, 23rd March. And with that course, a new batch is also starting. Look at this. So if you want to join Unacademy Plus, join it soon so that tomorrow onwards you can listen my classes live. And in that particular classes, look at this. This is the course which you will understand through which that how to learn a course. Unacademy Lite is another subscription only for the test series. If you want to take, you can take it. Some of our classroom students who have scored great rank this year. Okay. YouTube और प्लस ज्यादा डिफरेंस है, बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस है, बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस है। सर डीएस क्लास का नोटिफिकेशन नहीं आया था, कोई बात नहीं, अभी बाद में सीख लेना, नोटिफिकेशन आए ना आए, 6 PM मेरी क्लास रहती है, आपको अपकमिंग क्लासेस में वो दिख जाएगा, एक्सेस कर लिया करो। चलो चलो चलो, ओके, इफ यू गाइज आर रेडी देन लेट मी नो, इफ यू गाइज आर रेडी देन वी विल गो अहेड and we will learn. But for that, you'll have to tell me if you guys are ready. Okay, so for the very first question of the day, if you guys are ready, see these questions will or may take a little extra time. Sir, इस क्लास का डेली टाइमिंग यही होगा. This particular class, we are having placement preparation, puzzles, etc. Whatever I'll be planning, that will be same 9:15 AM, and data structure for GATE and your college purpose 6 PM. These are the regular sessions we guys are having nowadays. Both are on YouTube. Okay. Sure. Fine. This is the very first question of the day. First, read each and every statement carefully, understand the question properly, then try that this can be the answer. After that, you drop the answer. In the interview, most of the time students do what? In the GATE exam also, as soon as they understand that, okay, this is the question, and whatever the very first answer comes in their mind, they just drop it as the correct answer. They don't even think, students don't even verify that it can be correct or not. जो मन में आया पहले वो बोल देने का, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Otherwise you will get wrong answer most of the time in tricky questions. When you don't understand anything in the question, just let me know so that I can explain what is the question. Otherwise, keep understanding and solve it. चलो बताओ, what is you are understanding? What are you understanding? Keep liking the session. Keep liking the session. सेशन को लाइक करते रहिए. I will give you a few minutes, to understand the question and to solve it. You may take a few minutes of time to solve this. It's fine, totally fine. Anshul Jain gives me an answer. Shashwat Srivastav gives me an answer. Okay. Let's wait for other people also. I'm not saying which one is correct, etc. Let's wait for other people also, what the other people are saying, and after that we will decide which one is correct. Okay. Let's try to understand the question first. What exactly the question is. One day, teacher decided to appoint one leader of the class of 100 students. For appointment, teacher decided a strategy. He asked all the students to stand in a line in a queue and given them numbers 1 to n. ठीक है, सारे स्टूडेंट्स को he has asked to stand in a queue. First student number 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. In the sequence, he has given the numbering. Further, then he removed the odd number students. So he has removed number student 1, then 3, then 5, then 7, then everybody he has removed. Fine. From the line. Now with remaining students, the teacher did the same thing. Means with the remaining students, what he did, he tried to give another set of number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to whatever remaining students, and then again he has removed odd. With remaining, again give the numbering from 1 to something, and then remove odd until only one student is remaining. Okay, fine. That last student becomes the leader of the class. Cool. Now, before the teacher applied the strategy, he has told his strategy to all the students. He told that this is the strategy, and you are also member of that particular class and you want to become the leader. Then on which position in the first line means in the starting position you will stand so that you will become the leader. So you'll have to stand on that particular position where you can become the leader. Okay, I'll take the example first. Let's see, if I am having n equals to 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, or let's say n is equal to 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Fine. Cool. Among these 10 students, first of all, odd, gone, odd, gone, odd, odd, odd. Now remaining are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay, these numbers, actually these are the original roll numbers in the first line. But odd position students again will be removed. 2 gone, 6 gone, 10 gone, remaining 4 and 8. 4 gone, remaining is 8. So that is my position. On the 8th position, if I'll stand in the n equals to 10, then I may win. Is it 8 for every position? No. If we will increase n equals to, let's say 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Oops. What happens? 1 gone, 3, 5, 7 in the first iteration itself. All the odd numbers gone. After that, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 gone. After that, 1, okay, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5. So this is also gone. Then 1 gone, 2 remaining. 16 is the answer. So what is the logic behind this? The logic is simple. After you are on the odd position, of course, you are anyway gone in the very first iteration itself. Cool. After that, if you are not on odd position, let's say you are initially on the even position, after removal of half of the students in the first iteration, you may be on the odd position. Why? Just because the students got divided by 2. Right? See, initially student number 2 was on second number, but after first student gone, this particular 2 number student gone to position number 1, 4 gone to position number 2, 6 gone to position number 3. So after division, if the original position is, let's say, 6, after division by 2, I will become the number 3 student, means I am gone already. In the next iteration, I will go away. Yes, okay, fine. Student number 12, let's see student number 12. Student number 12 was on even position, okay, survived in first iteration, divide by 2, next time it comes on the 6th position, again even position, no problem, but 6 divided by 2 again 3, means that fellow again gone out. 20, if you talk about 20, why 20 gone out of the leaders, race? 20 divided by 2, after first iteration or first removal of the students, it has reached to the level number 10 or sequence number 10. After that, it has reached to sequence number 5, odd, gone. So we will have to think of that particular number which becomes even and even and even and even and even only, even though you divide it by 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and those such kind of numbers are power of 2. Power of 2. Why? Just because 2 into 2 and 2 into 2 into 2, 2 power 4, 2 power 6, 2 power 7, 2 power 8. If you'll divide these by 2, 2, 2, still you'll be having even number only up to 2. After that, if you divide 2 by again 2, you become 1. So what you'll have to do, you'll have to think in such a way that I will have to stand on position which is 2 power x. But there are so many 2 power x in 20. Look at this. 2 power 1 is also there, 2 power 2 is also there, 2 power 3 is also there, 2 power 4 is also there. Which particular power? See, if you have 2 power 1 and 2 power 2 both, look at this. 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 both, all 3 were there. Highest power survived, 8. Why? Just because once you will divide by 2, certain the lower power of 2 becomes the very first position. Look at this. Lower power of 2 becomes first position, 2 gone. Next lower power of 2, 4 becomes first position, gone. Just because it is odd position. Then the last one, when that particular fellow, the last power of 2, which is the highest power of 2 in the n, that becomes first position. That is the only person remaining. Hence that will survive. So what I will have to do is I'll have to answer which most of the people have given, maximum power of 2 which is lesser or equal to given n. For this question, of course, answer is 64, which you have given. Now I would like you to write a piece of code to calculate it. Let's say this question is given as a coding problem in your interview, and you will have to write a piece of code. Value of n is given as an input to you. Now you calculate for me that what should be your answer. You calculate for me what should be your answer. How will you calculate that? I told you this question can be asked in the puzzle kind of interview normally, orally. This question can be asked as a written test question also. Now tell me how to write a code to calculate this particular thing. Tell me how to write the piece of code. Piece of code लिखने के लिए, will I do this particular thing? I'll start a loop from 1 to n, 2 power 1 lesser than, okay, 2 power 2 lesser than, 2 power 3 lesser than, keep going like that way. No, I don't have to run the loop. I will directly calculate log of given n base 2 and its floor value. This will give me that power. What is the maximum power of 2, which will be my answer? So I'll calculate this in a variable, let's say a, and I will return 2 power a. That's it. So I'll get the floor value of log n base 2. How? See, it depends on the programming language that how do you calculate log n. Different programming languages are having different type or different way to calculate log n. Calculate log n base 2 in a variable a, return 2 power a. Or you can directly say you'll have to return 2 power log of n base 2 floor value. This is the maximum power. That is how you are going to write the piece of code for this one. Hope you understood this. Chalo. Next question. Another one. Another amazing question. Interview question it is again. Tell me, what is the answer for this one? Read the question carefully, understand it, and then give the answer. क्लियरली समझना पहले क्वेश्चन को, उसके बाद ही आंसर करने की कोशिश करना, अदरवाइज यू मे गिव रॉन्ग आंसर. गुड मॉर्निंग पूजा जी. Whoever is watching, just read the question carefully, understand it, and after that try to answer it. The question is very popular, very popular in so many interviews, written tests, and in fact coding interviews also. If you don't understand anything, just let me know what is the issue so that I can explain you whatever the question is. Otherwise, if you understand it, try to answer it. सॉरी. क्वेश्चन समझ आ रहा है आप लोगों को? आर यू गाइज अंडरस्टैंडिंग द क्वेश्चन एटलीस्ट? आर यू गाइज अंडरस्टैंडिंग द क्वेश्चन एटलीस्ट? I am good, Mayank. How are you? Good morning. Somewhat. Okay. देखो, क्वेश्चन समझ में आना चाहिए पहले कि क्वेश्चन क्या है. सॉल्यूशन अप्रोच इज द सेकेंडरी थिंग. You need to understand first what is the question. If you understand the question, then only you can try for the solution. Okay? How the solution is, what the solution is, that is the secondary thing. Primary thing is understand what exactly the question is. So whoever goes inside, it toggles the switch. If switch is on, makes it off. If switch is off, makes it on. If anybody enters, whichever the number is designated for that particular person, that fellow will just toggle the switches. Toggle means if it is turned on, off, it is off, then on. उल्टा कर देना. स्विच को उल्टा कर देंगे. अगर ऑन है तो ऑफ कर देंगे, ऑफ है तो ऑन कर देंगे. So it's very simple that whenever a person enters, let's say person number 3 enters. So person number 3 will go to bulb number 3, then 6, then 9, then 12, etc., etc., etc. When the person will go to bulb number 3, if it is on, the person will make it off. If bulb number 3 is off, it will make it on. Like this way, the person will change the state, toggle or flip the switches. Turn off ka on ka off. Now fourth person goes, the fourth person will change the state of only fourth bulb. Fourth bulb means every fourth bulb. 4, 8, 12, 16 and so on. Fifth number person will go inside and will change the state of every fifth bulb. Multiple of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, etc., etc. till 100. Like this way, all the 100 people will go in and will come out, will change the state based on their numbering, and you will have to tell us that what will be the number of bulbs which will be turned on at the end of this procedure. When the procedure is completed, how many bulbs are turned on? That is the question. Any answer? नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स निकाल के इवन ऑड चेक करेंगे. करके तो देखो, करो तो सही. Try it. Okay, chalo. So if you understood the question, look at this. Let me talk about bulb number 1. Bulb number 1 will be accessed by which one? Only by 1. So initially, as in the question given, that all the bulbs are initially off. Bulb number 1 will be accessed only by number 1. Yes or no? Yes or no? Number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5 up to number 100, bulb number 1 will not be accessed by anyone. So bulb number 1 will be turned on for sure, just because it will be accessed only by 1. Okay, let me talk about bulb number 100. Who will access bulb number 100? Bulb number 100 will be accessed by person number 1. Yes, 2. Yes, 4. Just because in multiple of 4 also 100 comes. Then 5. Then 10. Then 20. And then 100. 25. 25 चौक 100. 50 and 100. All these number people will access bulb number 100. On, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on. Wow. It will be turned on. Nice. 100 number bulb will be turned on. Yes. Look at this. Bulb number 99. I'm just giving you an idea. Just through some random picking of some numbers, number 99 will be accessed by only 1 and 99. No. 1. Okay. Then 3. Okay. Then 11. Then 9. Okay. 9 se bhi to ho. Then 11. Then 33. And then 99. That's it. 3. Okay. 33. 9. Okay. 11. Fine. Fine. These are the factors. On, off, on, off, on, off, off. Number 99 will be off. Yes, Shashwat has given really a good, analysis here that all those numbers which are having even number of factors, those bulb numbers will be off. You know why? Even why? Odd on, then off, on, then off, on, then off. Even number of flips means again the bulb will come to the original position off. Right? If any number is having odd number of factors, like 1 was having only one factor, 100 was having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 factors, which are again odd numbers, that was on. But how will we get it? इसमें तो बहुत टाइम लगेगा. हर एक नंबर का तो हम कर नहीं सकते. For every number we cannot do that. Right? So we have come up with another answer. Let's say for bulb number 30, you tell me bulb number 30. Bulb number 30 will be having what kind of factors? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. I will just think about this way, that if 1 will turn on, somebody else, 1 into 30 is 30. 30 will turn off somewhere later on. Then 2 will turn on, 15 will turn off. Oops, 2 into 15. Ah, sir. Then 3 into 10 is 30. 3 turn on, 10 turn off, 5 turn on, 6 turn off. Yes. Same thing we can do for 100 also na here. Look at this. 1 turn on, 100 turn off, 2 turn on, 50 turn off, 4 turn on, 25 turn off, 5 turn on, 20 turn off, 10 turn on only. You know why? Just because 10 into 10 is 100. Means I'll have to find out that particular number which is a perfect square number. You know why? Just because in that perfect square number, to get that number, I will multiply the same number 2 times. Look at this here. I am multiplying 1 into 30 to get 30. Two factors separate, different. So one will turn on, other will turn off. 2, if 2 is multiple, 15 is also multiple, the complement of that number, right? So 2 into 15, 30, 3 into 10 is 30, 5 into 6, 30, unique factors to make 30. In the pair, one turn on, another turn off. But here, when 100 is a perfect square number, 1 ka pair 100, fine, 2 pair 50, fine, 4 into 25 pair, fine, 5 into 20, fine, but 10 into same number, but same number will not go again, na? 10 will not go again to toggle it, no. So 10 once turn on, the bulb will be turned on. Means, what are the bulb which will be illuminated? Bulb on will be, what are the bulbs which will be on? 1, okay, 4, 2 square 4, 9, 16, 25, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square, and 10 square. These are the bulbs will be turned on. How many these numbers are? 1 square to 10 square, all the numbers are lesser than or equal to 100. Answer is 10. Answer is 10. How will you get this if the same question has been given as a coding problem? If you have been given the same question as a coding problem, you just return this integer part of square root of n. If square 100 is given, square root of 100 is 10, 10 number of bulbs will be turned on. That's it. Simple. Nothing you'll have to do. This is the only thing you'll have to do is just return the square root of it. That's it. Are you guys understanding what I said? How did I do that? So these are again, interview questions plus coding round questions also. In some of the coding rounds, you may be asked these kind of questions. So you can just return a simple statement. You can write simple a statement and that's it. See, there are 2 ways to do this. One way is to do the same thing by coding. Okay, just take 100 bulb as 100 size array, make it off, assign it to off, and then everybody goes and toggles it. Write the piece of code for this entire procedure. It will take a lot of time. Lot of time. 100 times you'll have to run the loop. 100 into 100 times the loop runs actually, and then the loop will go away, will take a lot of time. Instead of that, just return square root of n and perfectly correct answer you'll be getting. So every question has such kind of background trick. That trick, if you catch, you can answer it. Okay, fine. So there are few important announcement for all of you, that if you are really serious that you should go for GATE preparation, then take the subscription as soon as possible. 2 reasons. Just because this particular extension plan is only up to 24th of March, and apart from that, the price hike is very soon. So if you don't want to pay extra and you want to just take the subscription as soon as possible so that you can carry on with your preparation, use the code VDEEP10 and take the subscription as soon as possible. It is very important for you to understand one thing, that delaying anything just because of anything will not help much. Just because you are just waiting. You cannot just wait for your fortune to turn on or turn up. You will have to make your destiny or luck up. And by what? Working hard with good preparation. That's it. Hard work, keep doing. Fine. Telegram channel, you join this Telegram channel so that you can get all the classes and their links, etc. from us. Use this code for your subscription on unlocking anything on Unacademy platform so that you can get 10% discount plus my personal guidance, plus my team's support, plus such kind of all the extension plan if any kind of offer is there. My new batch is also starting from tomorrow, 23rd of March, and that particular course is gonna be COA. This course will actually teach you how you can learn a course, means how exactly you will have to, follow the methods, kind of strategies, tactics to learn the course, to solve a specific tough problem, how to read and interpret a statement and the question. All these things you will learn from this course, and that you can, those tactics you can apply for your other courses, so that you can be better in problem solving skills, which is the most toughest problem of GATE aspirants. Gonna graduate this year, I'm not clear. 22, should I prepare for next year? Path, that is your choice if you want. Sir, operating system is very hard by self-study. Everything is hard by self-study. Everything is easy by self-study. Everything is hard in the guided preparation also, and everything is easy in the guided preparation also. It's just that you will have to concentrate. When the content will be delivered to you in the easier manner, it becomes little easier to understand and to manage how exactly you will learn the topic. Of course, with the kind of question we will provide you here, you will understand that, okay, what kind of different questions we can have from a specific topic, so that it will be always easy for you to learn and solve the question stuff kind of questions. Test series also, we have only test series subscription you can take, plus you have another option, that is combat. Every weekend we conduct a scholarship test 11 a.m. If you want to take 100% scholarship for Unacademy plus subscription, just go to unacademy.com and check out the combat page, enroll for it using the same code VDEEP10, and you can write our free scholarship test. If you get scholarship, you just come on Unacademy plus. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, share it, subscribe the channel, turn on the notification. See you in the next class. Till then, have a great day. Happy learning. Bye-bye.